Hey, greetings. This is a sound check, and I am creating a show of sorts. Still working out the name of it. My name is Titus Battle. Alright, so I basically wanted to do this one to follow up or do the voice Facebook version of my posts. That's what this came to mind as I was wondering what should be the topic. So I am going to my header and seeing which ones that I did. So today I posted something about the What's in Your Fridge challenge. Also, I got to make sure that each video is no longer than about 3 minutes. Why not, right? So this post is about the What's in Your Fridge challenge. It's on my page, Titus Battle. I always hoped this challenge would happen, but it has not. So I could not wait. This is called What's in Your Fridge challenge. I got a picture of lemon, lime, cucumber, ginger water, 2 cups of the last juices. What are you doing, dude? 2 cup of the last of juices: collards, cabbage, kale, spinach, ginger, pear, banana, and aloe vera coconut water. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries all mixed in. The third thing I have is all the ingredients to juicing, because I don't eat vegetables. I drink them. I would not cook collard greens or cabbage or kale or spinach, but I put it in the blender and I mix it all up with aloe vera coconut water or, some other stuff that's really healthy. And then I digest it in a course of 2 days. Also make my own homemade water with lemon, lime, cucumbers, and ginger. And my 3 minutes is over for this segment. Peace. I could go longer, but I want to check something out.